Look at that freaking diffuser and that exhaust. And a Gallardo.
Take you to heaven, I rock you and roll you like Zeppelin. Yeah.
Now we actually found a 918.
Better catch a little baby, you falling in love in my heart. Got a key for your mom, but it's also a weapon.
Hey guys, what's going on? Daniel or LAOC Exotics here, and today we are at the Lamborghini Newport Beach Supercar Show. They rebranded it. It's called Supercar Show OC. Let's go check it out. There's some pretty cool cars here. Show hasn't started yet. Let's get a quick walk around and then I'll film the rest of the cars getting in. All right, guys. So the first car we have here is the Koenigsegg Agera RS Draken. There's only 25 Agera RSs in the world. This one's for sale for around $5 million. This one actually has diamond dust in the carbon fiber. You can't really see it in the cloudy weather, but there's little sparkles of diamonds in there. So you have two Sennas right here. Let me know which one you guys want down in the comments. I think I'm gonna go with the blue one. Then right next to the two Sennas, we have the P1. Looks really nice and white. So far this is a really good lineup and it doesn't end yet. We have MSO 688HS. There's only 25 of these in the world. And then there's a Chiron right here. I actually haven't seen this one. It has really baby blue interior. That looks nuts. And then the blue carbon fiber. But yeah, that's paint. That's not a wrap on this MSO 688HS. This is actually the second one I've seen. These are super rare. It's basically chrome. But yeah, check out that lineup. There's some more cars over here. Let's go check them out. So since today is just a few days after the 4th of July, I guess today's theme is American cars. So there's some older Ford GTs, some newer Ford GTs, Ford GT40 right here, and another Ford GT40 right here. Check that out. Such a classic car. Get another look for you. We have a crazy Huracan here with a body kit. I don't know what kind of body kit it is. It's got some nice wheels too. It looks like it's supercharged from VF Engineering. This is a crazy Huracan. And we have a Huracan Performante, also supercharged from VF. And then the new Huracan Evo. We have two matching Superleggeras. First gen Superleggera. Such a classic Lambo. Wouldn't mind owning one of these in the next couple of years. We have an AMG GTR and an AMG GTS. The yellow one's the GTS. The difference between these is about $60,000 and a couple more horsepower. Look at that lineup. We got Lambos, we have an R8, another Lambo, an 812, and a California 720S back there. Huracan, a couple Porsches. We got a 600 LT right there. 720S, Huracan, GT2 RS, 488, another Huracan, Superleggera, another one, Audi R8, GT2 RS, and a 570S. We got the star of the show right here, Lamborghini Murcielago SV. This is a unicorn. I think there's less than 200 of these. This is the same one from my last video. I actually freaked out when I saw this car for the first time. Check it out. Let me know down in the comments what color your Mercy SV would be if you could get one. Look at this Brabus AMG GTR. GT2 RS rolling out right now. And a Gallardo. Look at that Army Green R8. Looks like it has a Voigtsteiner kit. Looks really good. Everyone's all lined up. This parking lot pretty much cleared out. There's that SV. Woo! Check out the wheels on this 488. Check out the wrap on this NSX. It matches that LaFerrari in Monaco from years ago. Man, look at that Gallardo. I wonder how much money went into that thing. Gosh, look at that freaking diffuser and that exhaust. GT right here. Aventador. Huracan. Look what decided to show up. Carrera GT and a Ford GT right behind it. That's 720. And then check it out, we got a Senna. Look at that McLaren Senna. Came out of nowhere, and right behind it is another Ford GT. America representing. Check it out, we got a 918 rolling through. A sick Aventador right here. It's got a kit on it. It's white, the white interior. Nice wings. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this kit. We have a 720S too.